Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Huda Classes. Today I have brought you a new video session, that is a practice session of the chapter number 2, angles, which we have learned earlier. This is a practice session, that is a questions and answers. First of all, I will show you the questions on the screen. You verify yourself, you solve those questions by yourself and try to answer those questions. Later on I will show you the answers. You verify with my answers, correct answers. So beginning with the new session. So the first question on the screen, you can see it. First question, match the following. There are two columns I have made it. Match the following. First is the measure of angles on the right, on the left hand side, and on the right hand side the type of angles. You have to identify the name of the angle with the left to right hand side, means 180 degrees. So what will this angle be called? You have to match with the right angle on the type of angle. 240 degree, 360 degrees, 0 degree, these are the measure of angles. And on the right hand side, type of angle: zero angle, straight angle, reflex angle, complete angle. So you have to match the correct one with this. So what will be the correct answers for the question number 1? First is 180 degree. 180 degree is a straight angle. Means starting from 0 to 180, you will see that a straight angle is formed. So the first 180 degree is known as straight angle. Second is 240 degree. It is an reflex angle because it moves from more than 180 degree. It is creating a reflex side. So it is known as reflex angle. Third one is 360 degree. It is a complete angle, means it is a total a circle. You can when you draw a circle, it is a complete angle, means it is 360 degree. And the last one is 0 degree. 0 degree is a zero angle. So these are the answers of the question number 1. So moving to the next question, question number 2. You can see on the screen. Question is, the measures of some angles are given below. Means some angles measures are given below. Write the type of each angle. So you have to name the type of angle, means which type of angle is this forming using these measures of angles. So moving to the answers of question number 2, that is where write the types of each angle. First question is 75 degree. 75 degree is an acute angle. Why it is an acute angle? Because the angle is starting from 0 degree but less than 90 degree is known as acute angle. So 75 degree is less than 90 degree, so it is an acute angle. Second one, 0 degree. As the name mentions of the angle, that is 0, means it is a zero angle. Third one, 215 degree. This is an reflex angle. So why it is an reflex angle? The angle which is more than 180 degree but less than 360 degree is known as reflex angle. Means angle forming which is more than 180 degree but it is less than 360 degree, it is known as reflex angle. Fourth one, 360 degree. 360 degree is a complete angle, a whole circle forming angle, forming a whole circle starting from 0 till 360 degree, it will form a whole circle. It is known as complete angle. Fifth one, 180 degree. It is a straight angle. Why it is straight angle? As you use the protractor starting from 0 degree till 180 degree, when you form an angle, it forms a straight line. The straight line, so it is known as 180 degree, is known as straight angle. Sixth one, 120 degree. 120 degree. So what is 120 degree? It is an obtuse angle. Why it is called an obtuse angle? The angle which is more than 90 degree but less than 180 degree, it is known as obtuse angle. Means angle which is forming more than 90 degree, means 91, 92 later on, but less than 180 degree, that is up to 179 degree, it is known as obtuse angle. So 120 degree is less than 180 degree but more than 90 degree, so it is an obtuse angle. Next, seventh question, 148 degree. Same as the above, more than 90 degree but less than 180 degree. 148 is less than 180 degree, so this angle will also be called as an obtuse angle. Now eighth one, 90 degree. 90 degree is a right angle, means it is forming a straight angle, so it is in a right angle. 90 degrees right angle. So these are the answers of question number 2. Verify your answers and correct yourself. So moving to the next question, that is question number 3. You can see on the screen. What is question number 3? Look at the figures below and write the type of each angles. Means some figures are drawn, so you have to name what the figure belongs. Means write the name of the angle. The figures are of the name of the some angles, A, B, C, D, E, F. 6 figures are there, so you have to name each figure on the basis of the angle. Means what are the types of angle, the name of the angle, you have to mention it. Now the answer of the question number 3. First, A1. What is this angle known as? Acute angle. Why this is acute angle? Because the angle measuring is less than 90 degree, so it is an acute angle. B. This is a right angle triangle, means it is equal to 90 degree. It is a straight angle which is forming a straight line angle, that is right angle. The next, C. It is reflex angle. As the arrow shows, it is more than 180 degree but less than 360 degree. So it is for angle forming from the opposite direction. It is a reflex angle. Now D, starting from 0 to end, it is forming in a straight line, that will be known as a straight angle. E, the angle is not moving, means both the rays are on the same line, it is a zero angle. Now F, it is a complete angle. There is an arrow shown where the angle is forming from 0 to 360 degree, means it will form a full angle, that is a complete angle. So these are the types which you have to mention basis on their figures. These are the correct answers. Match with yourself. So these were the question and answers for the chapter number 2 for the angles which we have studied. In the next video, I will move on to the next chapter, chapter number 3, integers. Till then, if you like this video, please subscribe and like my video so that you can get the first video when I share or upload this the next video. Thank you.